If you're having a photo that's looking a bit old, blurry or unclear and you want to fix it, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can make it look sharp and new again with just a single prompt. Like the one on your screen, you can see that there is a vast difference between the before and the after. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into action. But before that, if you haven't subscribed or followed us, please hit the follow button and also don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's jump right into action. Okay, so we have a bunch of AI that can do this, but for the purpose of this video, we are using ChatGPT. It's available for Android users on Google Play Store and for iOS users too at App Store. So I've already downloaded the app and you can use the web version too. So let's open the app. Once the app opens, we are going to click on the plus sign over here to upload our image. So click on the plus sign, then you choose photos and it's going to open your gallery for you. So just go through and select the image you want to sharpen. Once the image is selected, just click on the add over here and you can see that the image have been uploaded successfully. So let's go ahead and type our prompt here. For my case, I've already copied the prompt. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste the prompt here and I will put it in the comment section and the description too. So in case you need it, you can just copy it and use it. So I will paste my prompt here and let me read it out. Enhance this portrait photo, sharpen the face, improve clarity and restore natural skin texture. Increase detail in the eyes, nose and lips while keeping the person's original features unchanged. Correct the lighting and color to look natural and balanced. Remove blur, noise and artifact. Produce a high resolution, realistic, well-lit portrait with smooth but natural skin, accurate colors and clear edges. You can see that the original photo is looking a bit blurry and also it's old and the colors too are not matching. So let's hit the enter button here and see the magic ChatGPT can do. Whilst it is processing, if you haven't subscribed or followed us, please hit the follow button now and also don't forget to like this video as well. Okay, now you can see that our photo is processing. So let's give it some time to do the magic. And now you can see that ChatGPT is done making the magic. So let's compare the old one to this new one. Let's check here. You can see that the image is blurred and the colors are not looking so nice. So let's move to the second one and you can see that the natural color is here and you can see that the image is very sharp too. Comparing it to the first one, you can see that it's not that sharp. See, it is very blurred, but comparing it to the second one here, the one generated by ChatGPT, it's looking very sharp and you can see the skin too, the eyes, everything is looking intact. Before we leave, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. This is Great Filippo. Until you meet again.